Hi, this is an example of showing transmission gears. Here we have a 20 tooth gear double bevel. The big one is a 20 tooth double bevel gear, and we have 5 of small ones, which is a 12 tooth double bevel gear. Here the gears rotate at different speeds to show that there is a change in speed. Now let us see how it goes. Now the final shaft is rotating at double speed. We will reduce the speed. This is slow and this is fast. Again, this is slow and this is fast. This shows that we can have a transmission and change of speed by implementing gears of different sizes. Thank you.